Existence, by its nature, supports us to live in harmony with the entire universe. In each and every moment, we are supported by the emanation of existence. We fulfill our potential to support life by realizing and expressing our true nature. The more our being participates, the more we are able to support, and the more we recognize the support of existence. Giving and receiving support happens simultaneously. This is the meaning of mutual support. The support of existence is ever present. Our ability to recognize it and benefit by it depends on our level of consciousness. The finer the level of consciousness, the more receptive we are to the harmonizing emanation of awareness, and the greater our ability to express that harmony in our relationship with all life.